Hello, this is the channel Popular Drawings. Today you will learn how to draw a heart and painting it in different colors. Well, are you ready? Watch me! Friend, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like this tutorial. And I can shoot new videos for you. Now, let's paint. Red. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Green. Orange. Now, surprise for you. We will draw a rainbow heart. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink.